Hello everyone, welcome back Paramedical Career Academy. Today I am going to continue with 5000 MCQ series of CHO examination. Actually this questions is also helpful for sanitary inspector examinations. So let's begin with unit 5, that is foodborne disease and food safety. Question 1 is the foodborne infection is due to option A chemicals, option B bacteria, option C viruses and option D microorganisms. So the correct answer is option D, that is microorganisms. Question number 2 is at what temperature the food should be stored? Option A 20 to 50 degrees Celsius, option B 25 to 60 degrees Celsius, option C is 30 to 60 degrees Celsius and option D is 35 to 70 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer is option B, that is 25 to 60 degrees Celsius. Question number 3 is food safety includes option A food handling, option B preparation, option C proper storage and option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 4 is the WHO has given dash key to safer food at home, restaurant or at local markets. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 5 and option D 6. So the correct answer is option C 5. Question number 5 is what is the danger zone range of temperature in food handling? Option A 50 to 100 degree Fahrenheit, option B 80 to 120 degree Fahrenheit, option C 40 to 140 degree Fahrenheit and option D is 100 to 212 Fahrenheit. So the correct answer is option C, that is 40 to 140 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 6 is the most common symptom of foodborne illness. Option A is kidney failure, option B diarrhea, option C skin rashes and option D headache. So the correct answer is diarrhea. Question number 7 is which of the following group has the lower risk of foodborne illness? Option A is young adults, option B is the elderly, option C infants and option D individual with AIDS. So the correct answer is option B, that is elderly. Question number 8 is which of the following are the reason for the increasing incidence of foodborne illness? Option A increased consumption of food imported from foreign countries, option B increased number of individuals eating in restaurants, option C better diagnosis by physician and option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is option A, that is increased consumption of foods imported from foreign countries. Question number 9 is sugar and salt act as preservation by option A killing microorganisms directly, option B increasing the water content of food, option C increasing the acid content of food and option D binding water, it is so not available for microorganisms. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 10 is increasing the acid content of food is effective in preventing the growth of option A Clostridium botulism, option B is salmonella, option C virus and option D yeast. So the correct answer is option A is Clostridium botulism. Botulinum. Question number 11 is 100 in aseptic packaging. What is sterilized? Option A the food product, option B the food serving workers' hands, option C packing, option D is A and B. A and C, both A and C. So the correct answer is option D, A and C. Question number 12 is the food illness that be caused by a food serving worker coughing and sneezing on food is option A Staphylococcus aureus, option B Clostridium perfringens, option C is Salmonella, option D is Trichinella. So the correct answer is Salmonella, option C. Question number 13 is symptoms of Staphylococcus aureus poisoning occurs within dash hours of food ingestion. Option A is 1 to 2 hours, option B 2 to 4 hours, option C 5 to 12 hours and option D is 12 to 36 hours. So the correct answer is 2 to 4 hours. Question number 14 is the best way to treat foodborne illness is with option A bed rest, option B plenty of fluids, option C exercise to burn out the microorganism, option D is both A and B. So the correct answer is option D, that is both A and B. Question number 15 is a person with a food serve illness should contact with physician of option A blood is present in the stool, option B food is 102 degree Fahrenheit or greater. Option C is symptoms persist for more than 2 or 3 days. And option D is all of these. So the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 16 is the fermentation process microorganisms produce tests which inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms. Option A is alkali and acid. Option B is acid and alcohol. Option C alcohol and alkali. And option D is water. So the correct answer is option A, that is alkali and acid. Question number 17 is a virus found in shellfish from contaminated water and food that are handled by infected individual then eaten raw is option A influenza, option B hepatitis A, option C is hepatitis B, and option D is Civovirus. So the correct answer is hepatitis A, option B. Question number 18 is the process of heating milk to kill pathogenic microorganism is called. Option A sterilization, option B pasteurization, option C irradiation, and option D is none of the above. So the correct answer is option B pasteurization. Question number 19 is which government agency is responsible for enforcing standards for wholesomeness and quality or grain produced meat, poultry, milk and eggs produced in US through inspection and grading? Option A USDA, option B FDA, option C FSIS, option D is PFA. So the correct answer is FSIS. Question number 20 is the safest cutting board material include all of the following except option A marble, option B wood, option C plastic, and option D glass. So the correct answer is option D, that is glass. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like, share, subscribe this channel and keep watching. Thank you so much.